Wait, guys, let's try nearby store, burger store. Bro, show it.
This is the blueberry because
Let me try it.
blueberry is actually purple because the outside.
It tastes like lollipop.
Yeah. So what?
Now let's mix it. Wait, my straw almost broke.
Are you?
And a nail left behind. There's some nails left behind.
What
Go
do
to
you
my
mean?
TikTok.
Almost all of them have pulled out.
You try mine, it's yummy.
You.
What?
I don't like it.
Wow!
What's this guy?
Yun, yung hindi pagkari natin yun, kung base-baso, kuwi kita na ulit po.
Look, mine's much bigger than yours.
But mine has more.
Look at this. Bam!
What? Wait. Let's go see how big. It's just the stretched out. It's stretched out. Look.
Abe, punya puera, abe.
It's just stretched out, Sia.
Tumbal baso ba ka? Tumbal baso. Nah, tumbal baso nga.
Wait, tanggalan na yung ate. This is my burgers. French fries.
Go.
Here. We're all trying it. This was my favorite.
Drink.
Here go.
Pwede
Oh my
tingnan
God.
man drink.
Sour lollipop.
It's better than McDonald's little burgers. It's better.
Yeah. It's close to. Do you see where it goes up? Go to the side. There's the restaurant.
Mm-mm.